Hello, my name is Bryan Mcglynn with MarineMax here in Stuart. Today we're taking you guys through a new brokerage listing. We have a 2021 Everglades 243. Just a great inshore boat or offshore, whatever comes your way. Well suited for fishing or family cruising. We have a gorgeous blue hull side. Swim ladder here along the port side. Yamaha 300 sitting on a jack plate. Power pole, underwater lights. Up on the hardtop, we do have a radar and outriggers. Carbon fiber riggers with adjustable bases from underneath. This boat is just fully detailed. Hull sides in beautiful shape. Same with the top sides. Very well appointed boat with just about every option you can possibly get. We'll hop on board and take you through. Standing here in the aft portion of the boat, as we talked about earlier, we have a single Yamaha 300 with the jack plate, power pole, a nice fishing area in the aft cockpit of the boat. So we do have fold up seats off to port and starboard side, center live well, raw water and freshwater washdowns. Great stereo system throughout the boat, JL audio, 2 speakers on the aft, subwoofer, speakers up in the bow, and speakers on the underside of the fiberglass hardtop. One nice thing Everglades did is we have storage underneath the gunnels for gaffs and boat poles, bolsters here in the aft cockpit, rod holders, pull-out storage, a nice comfortable leaning post with a fold-down bolster. Nice touch there with a helm pad, comfortable to stand on. I can't think of another 25-foot bay boat in this class that has a full windshield. Gives you some nice protection. VHF radio. This boat is decked out with all the electronics you can possibly get. Starting with the VHF, Fusion audio, upgraded 12-inch Garmin display, Yamaha vessel view, power pole control, jack plate, trim tabs, Yamaha electronic throttle and shift. Going up to the bow, we have a very, very nicely laid out area. Whether you're cruising with the family or fishing, we have drop-in cushions for those cruising days with the forward-facing seat. All these cushions are removable, and we have the casting platform upgrade. This simply pulls out if you want some more space. Minn Kota trolling motor, rod holders up in the bow, and all the way back along the gunnels. Just a great inshore and offshore boat. Whatever comes your way, this boat can handle it all. Again, this is a 2021 243 Everglades. My name is Bryan Mcglynn with MarineMax. Would love to answer any of your questions and take you through the boat further. You can reach me at 561-635-6811. Thank you very much.